All right, here we go. Happy New Year to all you awesome people. I'm actually recording this before January 1st, so I want to say happy holidays to you and your family. I hope that you guys had fun and safe times together, and hopefully you created some awesome artworks over this little winter break. But since we're talking about New Year, I figure you're probably hungover and you need something to listen to and recoup to, and that's what I'm here for. And I wanted to first start out by saying, thank you so much for supporting me all of this past year. We grew this community to over 13,000 subscribers, and that is genuinely awesome. And I've helped so many of you either improve your skills or just start your creative journey. And I'm glad we can all do that together. And I want to keep that adventure going. So I wrote down a couple of, I forgot where I put my list. Here it is. I wrote down a couple of goals I want to reach on this channel right here. And I'm going to ask a favor of you all. I would love to know what you would like to see on this channel below, or what goals you would like me to set. I like to set kind of like obtainable goals and some that are just slightly out of reach, so that way it keeps me motivated to keep trying. But the first thing I want to do is I think I'm going to try to reach 25,000 subscribers on this channel. I generally average around 500 subscribers, new subscribers per month, so I'm gonna have to pretty much double that and a little bit more. But I think I can do it because we keep this community growing and everybody seems to love the information I provide. So I'm gonna have to kick it into extra gear to get more new, unique viewers out there to hit and subscribe to this channel. If you wanna help, one of the best things you can do is always share the videos with your families and friends and new artists out there. But you can also retweet and resend out things on Twitter or Instagram or any of the YouTube videos, or even just follow on the social media networks themselves. Or if you like to join anything on Reddit or Discord or even Facebook, sharing all of my videos and information helps more than you could ever know. So that's one way you can help me out. The other thing I think I want to try to do that's always been a dream of mine, but I'm a little bit fearful, or maybe lazy, I guess is the best term, is I want to do 3 collaborations on this channel here with other artists. I actually have a lot of artist friends that work in acrylics and watercolors and arts and sculpting and photography, film, and all these other different mediums, and you can learn so many little skills that you can pull and gravitate towards you that'll help you with your own unique style. I would love to do some collaborations with other YouTube artists as well. And if there's one artist out there that you would love for me to collaborate with, do me a favor and put their name or link down below, because I will be more than happy to reach out to them and see what we can do. I've done a few collaborations on some other things, but hey, I like to have a few on this channel because I feel like you can learn from some other people out there. Another goal I would like to do is, a lot of people have been liking my speed paintings that are easy and build confidence. I get a lot of messages and DMs and all that stuff of people sending me their art and showing me what they've done. It's so cool what you guys create almost after one of the video launches. And I'm gonna try to do that every month. I'm gonna do one video that's a speed painting, probably somewhere between, like, let's just say 3 and 10 minutes to make it easy for me. I'm gonna do very simplistic things that I think will help build skills and build confidence within your tool bag that you got there for your art skills. But I'm also gonna do a more extended version of, like you saw in my past video, where I sit down and describe step by step what I'm doing in the video. Because I know when I watch other videos that I love from other artists, they skip over so many things, or maybe something that's a new skill that you haven't quite learned. They're not really showing you the in-depth techniques, or at least some technique, to get you started off on the right foot. And that's something that always bothered me as a new artist. And I wanna demystify and fill in those gaps. So we're gonna do 12 quick paintings, so 1 a month, and I'm gonna do 12 step-by-steps to those quick paintings. But to incentivize people out there to join the YouTube community channel member side, I may make that a channel member perk only, or at least for the first couple of weeks, which only costs you $1, which you can do by becoming a channel member down below, because I feel that'll give them a little extra something that I've always wanted to fulfill for them. In addition to doing 12 videos that are quick paintings I also want to get back on doing 12 the history of art videos. I was trying to do one a month, but unfortunately I had some things come up near the end of the year with work and personal life, and I actually got sick at the end of the year. I'm still kind of a little bit on the mend. You might hear it a little bit in my voice. I'm fine. Thank you if you're worrying out there. But I want to create a series or seasons or volumes of of these history of art videos where I travel to locations. I tell you a little bit about the location or the history that happened there, because that's a passion of mine. Plus, like I said, I want to show you the outside, or how to take in information from the outside and use it from an artist perspective in your paintings or whatever you're using it for. So that way you can create art, or at least appreciate a little more of the outside for when you go out there. And I want to do 12 of those for this year that we're in now, 2022. God, it's weird to say now. So again, one per month. And those videos are really, really in depth. I don't think you realize how much footage I shoot for just one video that's somewhere between like 10 and 20 minutes. It's insane. It sucks up a lot of my time, but I love doing it. So I'm also gonna do those. And if you wanna help support that segment, again, becoming a YouTube channel member helps more than you know. All the funds just go back into making more creative videos and behind the scenes and getting supplies to make videos that I think will help with shortcuts. Then that's all it goes to. I don't use it for lavishness. I mean, look at me, I'm in a sweatshirt and may or may not be wearing pants with big old fuzzy slippers on here. I'm a lazy man. I don't need much in my life. I just need you and the fact that I know that you're growing as an artist and we're having fun together and we have a couple laughs. That generally fills my heart. But that's pretty much all I have for my list that I want to hit for 2022. If there's things out there that you'd like me to do, please let me know. That's actually the whole reason for this video. Is I would love to know what you struggle with, what you have hard times with, if there's any new products you're interested in, collaborations or people you'd like me to do videos with. It's an open forum. I'd love to know what you have to say. I have so many more video ideas. I'm not starving for information, but I love to hear what the community wants, because I want to fulfill your needs, as long as it's not too niche, obviously. But that's all I wanted to really say. I wanted to say, first, thank you. Second, what kind of videos you'd like to see. And third, I want to say thank you again. This has been a wild ride within this past year. We grew more than I thought we would. And you guys have been very beneficial and helpful and super nice. It's amazing to see how awesome the community has been, how I can't think of any other words better than awesome. I mean, it really has been. You guys bring me joy every morning when I wake up and I see comments and we jam out to art and things like that. If there's something else that I wanted to talk to you about, is I promised I was going to do a live stream, which I plan on doing a lot in 2022. I might try to do 12 this year, maybe even a little more. I didn't get a chance to do that at the end of this year for my birthday. I have two planned, where I was going to do a painting stream, and then I'm going to do a live stream where I go over your art that you submitted to me and give you in real-time notes that I made to show you how to improve your art. But I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to get to that because I had a personal thing happen, and then I got sick and I just lost the energy to do it, because I want to make sure I'm healthy for everything going forward. So those are still some things to come. This video went a lot longer than I thought, but hey, you're probably hungover from the new year, and it's okay. And I hope you're the best. Drink a lot of tea, and trust me, green juice helps push that stuff out of you very quick. Again, thank you so much for being with me on this wild ride from 2021 to this very moment here. And trust me, we're gonna go beyond. It's gonna be amazing. And if you wanna help me go beyond, again, you can become a YouTube channel member down below. It's a great way to help me start my new year, and you, because I'm gonna bring more perks to you guys in any ways that I can. I'm gonna think about it. Hey, if you got any ideas, again, leave it down below. Everyone have a good one, take care, and our journey's just starting. Peace.